This way you can see it before you buy it. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you. It's been a while. I'm actually in my home. As you can see, I'm set up on my pool table in my game room. For all of you that know, or for some of you that didn't know, I got really sick, had a bad infection, actually flesh eating. I was in the hospital for over a month and then rehab, and now I'm home still trying to heal up before I can even go back in the office. But we haven't done videos in so long, and I got to give back to everybody and do some unboxings and get back into doing what we do best, giving product away. So today, we're actually going to talk about a new item that is just taking the Bass Head by storm, and I'm so excited. They're actually out of Croatia, and we are going to be their first and hopefully only for a while US distributor, and people have been buying them off their website, but they run out of stock. You have to pre-order them. We actually have big batches on the way coming overseas. This is from Bass Head Garage. This is actually a Wattmeter. This is a BHG-WM. You can find it on the bigjeffaudio.com website. Let's open up this one. So this is one of the first ones I ordered, and it's first time opening it. And I ordered when I first kept seeing, I think it was Parker the Bass Head.
So when you order this, guys, you of course get the meter itself, and then you get the CT clamp. I went ahead and wired it up here. Now, what I like about this, guys, they don't send you wires or anything. They just give you the meters. You then just run some little speaker wires or whatever wires you have, which is great, guys. You can, of course, make them the exact length that you need, all of that good stuff. So we're going to power this fella on. And as you can see, of course, the amp over here came on, and this guy turned on. So let's go through this. We do have a couple of settings. Of course, this will show us the wattage and the impedance. Very handy. This will tell us voltage and the current. We have power factor, and we're back to wattage. So super, super handy. And if you want this to go into peak mode, you just hold this down. You can see it says peak. So that will, of course, stop when it gets up to the peak power. Super handy for testing, super handy for my videos. To turn peak off, you just hold it down, and it turns off. Again, when you want to power this guy off, guys, just turn off your head units, and it turns right off. Okay, we've got both the meters hooked up. We are going to be, of course, testing this with DefBonds' biggest 12-inch sub that they make. Let's see how it does. All right, what I am noticing, this little meter here is way, way faster. It adjusts to the wattage way smoother, way cleaner.
And a couple other people, and I'm like, no way, that's kind of cool. I wanted to get one for the bench. I hate setting it up when we do the dynos. And then I looked into it, they were out of them and had to wait. So I reached out, we had good communication. So this is it right here. Let me see if I can open this up without having some knives. Yes. Okay, so in this one, you actually get, this actually should read out watts and ohms, and it's really small. You can actually mount this anywhere. So if you're doing this on an install, keep in mind this would be per amplifier. I just watched a video the other day while I was in rehab, and a guy bought like 6 of them because he had them on each amp, and he lined these up. So it's the same thing as the SMD meter, but a hell of a smaller, and you can permanently mount it in. Okay, so you get that, and then we'll open up this side. Now, whenever you watch this video, it might show sold out on our website, but probably by the time you watch the video, it'll be available. We already have multiple orders back to back. Okay, so in this side, you guys will kill me. I don't know. It's some type of magnet that reads the wattage. But that's basically where the positive speaker wire will go through. And this can also get mounted to make it pretty easy. Now again, keep in mind, it can only be one going through at a time. It's not going to read multiples. And then there is a green plug for you to put in positive and negative. I guess for this to read back to this. Okay, and then you get some other green plugs in here, which I believe will go on here. And that will get you positive and negative. You also need to get the positive and negative of the speaker terminals. Let's open up the directions here. Okay, so functions. There's a button on top of the display screen, and I'm guessing when you go through there, it would be wattage, impedance, power factor, AC voltage, AC amperage. That's pretty cool too. But then you can go ahead and have it where it'll show wattage and ohms on the same screen. Okay, let's open up the next one. Okay, simple wiring. So on the display unit, you're gonna have the power for out of the amplifier to the speaker, pass through this, plug into here. You're gonna have a head unit remote to know when to turn this on, and you have positive and negative from the battery. Pretty simple. You can mount this obviously anywhere you want, up front, out back, because you would run the wire through. So 2 small pieces, a little bit of wiring, and for under $100, and I know you're gonna hate this, but I think it should actually be sold for more, because you spend several $100s on an SMD meter, or you're about $100 here. Now they are coming out with some other pieces, and being that we are going to be distributing the product, we will keep you updated. So you can go to our website and you can just type in BHG, or you can go under the brands and look for Bass Head Garage. Order one. We should have plenty in stock. We ordered several hundred, and it's a small item, so it's going to come in a poly bag. We'll still probably ship it under a pound, it's close. I would have to check, but it'll either come first class, or we would ship it out like a FedEx 2-day or a priority. Okay, so first video, shooting back. Keep in mind, if you're watching this, we are going to kick off giveaways. When the big batches come in, we will do a giveaway on one of these, so keep checking back on YouTube. Hey, I'm Big Jeff. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment. Thank you to everybody. So many comments, worried and support of me being in the hospital, and we're almost back. I'm like 85%, but here's the first video. Check this out, Bass Head Garage. Know what your power and your ohms, and everybody's worried about impedance rise, but you can know constantly in your vehicle right here. I'll see you on the next video.